Hi everyone, my name is Brandy Jackson and I am currently in the BSN program at Nebraska Methodist College. I grew up in Plattsmouth, Nebraska and graduated from Plattsmouth High School. I went on to University of Nebraska Omaha to get my gen eds for 2 years before transferring to Methodist. I currently work at Heritage Point Assisted Living as a life enrichment assistant and a CNA, and I have worked there for 5 years now. A little bit about me is I have a 2-year-old son named Logan who likes to keep me on my toes. I love spending time with him, and especially the summer. That is our dog Lou on the right. He is 6 years old and a Maltipoo. The biggest leader in my life is my mother. Um, she's a great role model for me. Uh, through work and taking care of Logan, she raised me on her own, and so she inspires me to do my best. And she's one of my biggest supporters through school and watching Logan for me. Thank you.